What is up, you guys, and welcome back again to Hypegeek, the show where we celebrate hype and me just geeking the heck out of things. My name is Colin, and today we have another special sneaker unboxing, care of our friends from World Balance. So what we have here is the coveted 500 pieces only World Balance X Secret Fresh collaboration. Yes! Ito na siya, nandito na siya, and it's all its glory. And I cannot wait to open this and show you guys what is inside and my thoughts on the shoe as well. But before I do that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so because we're trying to make more videos for you guys. So it's also been a while since I've actually done a Hypegeek shoot. This is actually the first time that I'm doing this after quite a long time of resting and lull, and you know why. If you've seen my last video, I have been recuperating from, unfortunately, COVID-19. I am okay at this point. It's already negative status for a couple of weeks now. I'm doing good. I'm recuperating really well. But of course, for everyone's safety, and as I mentioned before, every time we do an unboxing now, I have to wear a mask, and I'm going to be doing so also on this episode. Again, I cannot stress how much important health is at this point in time. So as usual, we are going to be disinfecting. I've already disinfected this, but just for good measure, let's just throw a little spritz into the box. I've already disinfected pretty much everything, even what's inside. For good measure and for good practice na rin, let's just try to keep all of the things that we get as clean as possible para lang din iwas sakit and have better peace of mind. Okay ba yan? Okay, now that we've done that, let's go on with the unboxing. So as you can see, the box is pretty bare. It does have that premium feel. It's very minimalistic. And then you have the laminated logo of World Balance here. And it says here, lifestyle. So this is, of course, a lifestyle shoe from World Balance itself. So they sent me a size 43 or a US 10, which is a little bit bigger than my size. I am a size 9. And from what I remember with Invictus and with this type of silhouette, you actually can go through to size with this. So I don't know how this is going to fit my shoe or my feet at this point. But you know what? Let's just open it and then let's see what we can do with this. And when you pop the box open, you're greeted with just this really plain tissue and the shoe itself. Ayun na, ba-bam! Look, oh my god, look at that gorgeous thing. Look at that. Let's take both out of the box. Yan. Boom. Bam. Straight fire. Now, this is not the first time that Secret Fresh had a collaboration with World Balance. They actually did one before, but this is the first time that Secret Fresh is bringing that crazy aesthetic to the Invictus silhouette. So according to the box, the official colorway is just called Secret Fresh, but the marketing term for this is apparently B69. Of course, coming in from DJ Big Boy Cheng's wacky brain, talagang kailangan niya lagyan ng konting kilite yung mga designs niya. I mean, you have the ice sperm from before, so now this is the B69. Gets yun na kung bakit siguro. But funny names aside, the color blocking on these are just amazing. It's kind of hard to see all the wonderful details on pictures, but when you have it on hand, you're actually greeted with so many different materials, and I really appreciate just the design thought behind this. You have that retro 90s old school vibe with this light gray mesh upper, which is heavily complemented with the nice suede panels as well. You have suede here on the laces, and then you have suede on the toe guard as well. Again, on the heel, you'll see a couple of suede, like a darker version or darker gray suede here. But then it's contrasted with this really shiny, really unexpected patent leather design. You have a very sharp, almost fire hydrant red here on the lace area. And then more dominantly, this blue and orange sort of camo design happening around the sides of your shoe. Again, the same design can be seen on the tongue of the shoe, and you have here, of course, the Secret Fresh logo. Now, just to round things off and just to add a little bit more pop into the shoe, you have specks of very bright oranges here on the heel of your midsole, and then another bright orange on the outsole as well. And I'm not entirely sure if the insole can be removable, but if you can look closely, it does have that World Balance X Secret Fresh logo right there. So again, it's really just a wonderful marriage of these two wonderful Pinoy companies. If you're local, you've probably heard of World Balance, but if you're not, World Balance is a Filipino shoe brand that's pretty predominant here in the Philippines. The great thing about them is that they don't really charge an arm and a leg for a decent pair of sneakers. And with the recent design collaborations that World Balance has been doing, they actually have been pushing the boundaries of what a local brand can be and can do. And if you don't know who DJ Big Boy Cheng is, come on guys, he is probably one of the biggest, if not the biggest, shoe collector in the Philippines and in the entire world as well. I've only been to his place once when Seth Fowler came to the Philippines. Very good friend Carlo Ople invited me over because they have this custom whenever an international sneaker YouTuber comes into the Philippines, they have to tour him in DJ Big Boy Cheng's amazing house of sneakers. Bahay na nga talaga siya. So if you want to see what that is, I do have an older video. I'm going to link it up here or down below so you can check that place out. So for those who want a pair, unfortunately, sold out na daw lahat. They only produced 500 pairs of this, and as far as I know, this was sold out a couple of days after they announced the pre-orders on the World Balance website. So how much is this sneaker? This sneaker cost 2,699 pesos only. Ganun na siya kababa, but look at the quality of design and the materials used. I still don't understand how they're able to price it this low, but honestly, I'm not complaining. So because from what I understand, the World Balance Invictus can be worn true to size, I'm pretty sure this is going to run super big on my feet. So to help me out, I'm going to pack this again, put everything in the box, and hand this over to very good friend Peter Juan, who will be doing the on-feed for this episode.
Hey! Thanks so much, Colin. Ganda! Kilala naman natin lahat si DJ Big Boy Cheng. Pare, great job on this. It's really beautiful in a lot of ways. Ibe, and I can't wait to show you how they look on feet. I'll give you my thoughts on how they feel as well in just a few. Alright, guys, I had a lot of fun with that. Telling you right now, off the bat, comfort, panalo. It's fantastic. I wasn't expecting it to be that comfortable. I mean, I've tried on the Invictus before. One of the Ungeek guys, Robert, has a pair, and it's a little big for me. I tried it on, and I already knew that it would be comfortable, but trying something that actually fit me, it's great. I don't know what the midsole is made of. It's an EVA, but the mix that they use, it's really solid. It's not super cushy. It's not like Boost or anything like that, but it's lightweight, and it's something that will serve you well if you're walking really long distances. It's that kind. Another thing that I loved about it, the insole that they used right here. Yeah, and you can see the World Balance and the Secret Fresh branding, but actually if you look at it, it's smidge thick. It's a little thick. It takes the comfort to a whole new level. About the fit, I'm a typical 10.5. That's my true size. I actually went down a half size, and I think that's perfect. I mean, you can still go true to size on it. I mean, true to size would still work for you. But personally, I like a fit that, you know, is more one-to-one. And going down half a size gives me that. It feels a lot more supportive. And even as a wide footer, it's okay to go down half a size. On feet, it actually looks really good. It's easy to style. As you noticed, I tried out different types of pants, different ways of wearing it. And it's very versatile. I mean, given that the design is a little bold, it's still surprisingly easy to style. You can wear it with a lot of different things. It just gives you the right amount of pop for your outfit, so I love that about it. First, I was worried about all the shiny rubberized pattern things, but I found that it really grew on me. It goes really well with this torsional plate, the torsional plate that has the World Balance branding. And if you're going to stick with more neutral tones, if you're not going to go for a lot of prints, especially on your pants, this will give you a lot of pop. I'm really happy with it. Should, if you can, pick it up.
And that's it for this really quick episode and really quick thoughts on the World Balance X Secret Fresh B69 B69. If you like this episode, please do give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. What World Balance X Secret Fresh name would you want the next shoe to be? So we already have Ice Sperm, we already have the B69. What's next? Leave your thoughts down below in the comment section and I will try to respond to them as best as I can. And again, if you've watched until this point, maraming salamat po. My name is Colin, and guys, please keep safe, keep healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, hi peeps! Peace out!